You are welcome to Safubafoods TV. This video is purposely for those who are having Black Stars family planning. Living in abroad with Black Star squad who like eating banku every day would put pressure on your pocket. Then you need a cheap way of producing your own mmore. Let's get started. Anybody who is living in Europe is familiar or may be familiar with this type of maize flour. This white maize meal is made in Italy. It is very popular in all African shops. Just buy one. It is less than 10 euros. If you are watching me in 2000, 20,000 and Jesus has not come yet, then the price might have changed. I use 4 liters. One bottle of this water is 2 liters. I use 2 of them, so making it 4 liters. Please note with caution, the water in the bottle water is not. Please note with caution, the water in the bottle is not a mineral water. It is ordinary pipe water. It was just used for measurement. This is not a prime for mole. After fitting the mole, clean the edges of the bowl. Use clean lace or cloth to cover it. Covering of the mmore is not necessary. It is only necessary if you have an army of awansa in your area. Please, if you are staying with somebody, don't swat the mmore on your pump. Then keep the mmore for 3 days. After sleeping for 3 days, I'm coming to check the scent, You have to keep it minimum 3 days if you need it for an emergency service. If not, you can keep it 3, 4 or 5 days. After 3, 4 or 5 days, keep it in the fridge. If you are going to use it after 15 years, then keep it in a deep freezer. If you are going to use it within a month, keep it in normal fridge. Some people say ajuma ni abrochi. Obua. Just fete mole. Chichire ni say ya fakwesi supermarket bianim. Naton Ghana for no bedi dwa no ato amom. Eni nka abrofo no chiwa bo mbe bo ansa no mdo akosi Ghana no. Thank you for watching Safubafoods TV. If today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, please kindly subscribe, like and comment. God richly bless you. Bye bye.